Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV guys. So today I'm gonna make some fried dumpling and some codfish or saltfish. So right here in the pot I'm boiling my saltfish to get the salt out. And here guys, this is the flour. So I'm gonna knead the flour guys. I'm gonna add some yeast because I love to put yeast in my fried dumpling. So I'm going to put a little bit of yeast, about half teaspoon of yeast. So this is about 1.5 cups of flour. I'm going to add some baking powder. That probably is too. So that's some baking powder guys. And I'm going to add some salt. So I'm going to add some salt, not a lot of salt guys. It's low sodium, so I don't do a lot of salt. So that's the salt, the baking powder and the yeast. And I'm going to do my codfish with tomato and sweet pepper and onion. So, alright guys, so right here I'm going to knead my mix up. I have some cornmeal too guys. I had cornmeal in my flour. I usually don't use plain flour. I always had cornmeal. So now I'm going to knead the flour. And when I'm finished, I'm going to cover it and give it some time to raise. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. All my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, my guys. Guys, I don't really use my face in my videos. I do faceless videos most of the time. Okay, and generally I might put my face in my videos, but I do faceless videos. Not because I'm ugly, but because I feel more comfortable doing faceless. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Please continue to subscribe. If you come across this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and like the videos. Watch the videos guys, completely watch the videos. Right guys, so guys, right here you see I'm finished. Some people like to make the dough a little bit soft, but I like when it kind of firm and then you cover it up and let it, you know, raise up. So there you go guys. Yes guys, I really appreciate you subscribing. Here you go. Now I'm going to wash my hand. I'm going to cover the flour. So right here guys, I'm going to cover it and leave it to raise. Alright guys, I'll check you back guys when I'm ready to fry the dumpling. Okay guys, so let's clean up the spice that I'm going to use. My first seasoning. Guys, I don't even have any scallion. I don't have any scallion, so I'm using what I have. I have scallion, but it's in my freezer. I make green season that I keep in my freezer. But right now, this I won't be able to use it in this because it's frozen. So I'm using tomato, garlic, guys. I'm gonna wash these. So I'm just cleaning everything and then I'm gonna wash them. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe and share guys. My garlic. So guys, my tomato started spoil a little bit, but I'm not throwing them out. Just cut off the part them that is not good. I had a lot of tomato, but this time I don't intend to put no tomato in my freezer. Because I keep putting tomato in my freezer guys and forget. Not even forget, but not using it. So it's just sitting in my freezer. So these I'm gonna use them up. Might save these seeds. I'm gonna save these seeds, guys, for my compost for next year to plant in my garden. Alright, guys. I have a planting, so I'm gonna use this planting also. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna use this planting. When I got this plant, it was green somewhat. So guys, I'm having fried plantain, codfish, and fried dumpling for breakfast. Okay guys, that's the plantain. So I'll check you back, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut up my fresh seasoning. So guys, I'm gonna fry up these. Go with the codfish. So I'm making codfish and tomato. Guys, please comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Okay guys. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna do the I'm gonna fry the dumpling. That's salt free, guys. This one have salt, just a little bit. Yes guys, so that's the end of the road. Codfish with fried dumpling and plantain. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe and share, and take care of yourself. Until next time guys, I'm gonna plate my dumpling to see how it look like in the plate. Alright guys, I'll check you back.